Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to uninstall WordPress from Hostinger's cPanel step by step. This process will not only uninstall WordPress, but also completely remove it from your Hostinger account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully deleted WordPress from your hosting account. Hostinger is a web hosting service provider that offers affordable and reliable solutions for hosting websites. It provides services such as shared hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, and VPS, virtual private server hosting. Hostinger also offers domain registration, email hosting, and website building tools, making it a popular choice for individuals and businesses looking to create and manage websites. Its user-friendly control panel, competitive pricing, and 24/7 customer support make it appealing for beginners and professionals alike. Whether you need hosting for a blog, an e-commerce store, or any other type of website, Hostinger provides the tools and infrastructure to get your site online efficiently. Link to try Hostinger is given in the description below. Let's get started with uninstalling WordPress from Hostinger. First, log in to your Hostinger cPanel. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a section for your hosting plan. Look for the Manage button next to your plan and click it. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Website. In this section, find the option that says Auto Installer and click on it. At the top of the Auto Installer page, you'll see a list of installed applications. Find the WordPress installation you want to remove. To the right of that, you'll see 3 dots. Click on the dots and a menu will appear. From here, click on Delete. A pop-up window will appear asking what you want to delete. You'll have a few options here: delete the application, delete the installation files, and delete the database. If you want to completely uninstall WordPress and erase everything connected to it, I recommend selecting all 3 options. Once you've made your selection, click the Delete button. Hostinger will now remove WordPress along with its files and database, and that's it. You've successfully uninstalled and deleted WordPress from your Hostinger cPanel. If you ever want to reinstall WordPress, you can simply go back to the auto installer, select WordPress, and enter the necessary details for a fresh installation. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know if it was helpful. Your feedback helps improve our future tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful web hosting guides and tutorials. And again, if you're considering using Hostinger, the link is provided in the description below.